Hey everyone, this is Shawn Hayes, and welcome back to another episode of Money Control TV, where we talk about all things money, how to earn it, how to sort it, how to save it, and definitely how to enjoy it. And so if you're watching this video, you want to know, how do you classify your expenses such as groceries, personal care, and household items, especially if you shop at the one store. And so before we dive in, make sure that you hit that subscribe button, make sure that you hit that bell notification so that the next time I upload a video, you'll be the first one to notify. And make sure that you go ahead and click the link down below and get my free gift of Family Financial Emergency Toolkit. So it's absolutely free. Also, if you're looking to make money online, my #1 recommendation is also down below. So make sure that you click that. When you click that, it's going to ask you for your email address. Then it's going to take you to a video. Make sure that you watch it so that you know how to make money online. So let's get started. And so, how do you classify your expenses? And so even if you shop at one store, such, just say if you went to Walmart, where it's kind of like a one-stop shop, and so you're buying groceries, you're buying personal items, and you're buying household items all at one shop, even clothes, right? And so how do you classify it? And so you have to classify it differently. You can't just lump it together, because then you won't have any data. You really don't know how much did you spend in each category, especially if you put everything in one basket, and then when you at the end of the month, it looks like you spent you spend like maybe $500, and you didn't spend $500 in groceries, you didn't spend $500 in personal care, you didn't spend $500 in household. And so the best solution is to break it down and use a cash envelope. So when you make your overall monthly budget and say groceries for $200, then we do cash envelope. And so I'm going to put the video down below how to do the cash envelope system that I use. And so you have to break it down. And so if you budget for $100 for groceries, then maybe you fill this envelope kind of like this, put $100 in, and then your personal care and your household care. And so even though if you shop at one shop, then you have to make 3 types of transaction for each one. I know it could be a pain, but the point is to making sure that you stay on track for budget. And so if you spend, if you spend $100 in groceries, you want to track that $100. And so a lot of times what it is when you make a budget, and it's like, okay, I made a budget, $100 for groceries, $20 for personal care, another $50 for household. And then you'd be like, oh my goodness, at the end of the month, you can't track it because you don't know how much did you spend in personal care, how much was it in household, or how much was really in groceries. So a lot of times what I see my clients do is that they will write a grocery budget, right? And then they will also pick up personal care and things like that. And so when you're looking at your bill, you're saying, man, I spent $300 or $400 in groceries, but you probably spent like $10 in groceries, and the rest you picked up, shampoo, you picked up deodorant, you picked up a mop, you picked up, some bleach and things like that. So you guys make sure when you do it, do the transaction separately, so you can have a receipt for each of the categories. So you guys, I hope this was helpful. Again, I will put the link down below how to do the cash envelope system, and I will see you on the next video. Like, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later.